Hello dear friends, today I want to discuss harmonic series problem. This is the one problem is k equals to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power k minus 1 divided by k nck hk, where hk is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 1 by k equals to summation n equals to 1 to k 1 by n. So friends, see that here is nck. This value is combinations, means nck. This value is nck fits. So and hk is so that this value is nck, and now we know I use one relation. I use one relation. Which relations I want to use? I want to use one relation that minus hk by k is equal to, what is this value, friends? What is this value? This value is 0 to 1 hk by k. This value is 0 to 1 x to the power n minus 1 log 1 minus x dx. This is the value. So friends, this result is very important for solving this problem. So I can write these equations, means these equations should be should be this way. I can write 0 to 1 x to the power summation k equals to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power k minus 1 by k nk, and hk value, hk by k, this k will be, I think this k will not in here because I use this formula, so this k will not in here, will be not used in here. So it and this k will be k minus 1, and this value will be x to the power n minus 1 by x to the power k minus 1 log 1 minus x dx. because according to the formula, this formula should be it should be x to the power k minus 1 divided by log 1 minus x dx. I use this formula, and hk by k is equal to x to the power k minus 1 log 1 minus x dx. So friends, you must remember that when I get this kind of problem, I can write summation k equals to 1 to infinity integration 0 to 1 minus 1 to the power k n k, and it should be x to the power k log 1 minus x divided by k x, because x to the power k minus 1 is equal to x to the power k k minus 1 means x to the power k divided by x equals to what I can write? How can I write? I can write that k equals to 1 to infinity, and it can be written as, you can see that this is the formula when I want to use that. You can use that 0 to 1 and minus summation k equals to 1 to infinity and minus 1 to the power k equals to 1 to, sorry, in questions I make mistakes. Question is k equals to 1 to n, and in here k equals to 1 to n, and in here k equals to 1 to n minus 1 to the power n k, and according to the questions in it should be n and minus 1 to the power k and n k x to the power k log 1 minus x divided by x dx. So friends, if you see that this kind of problem, then how can you will do, how you will do 0 to 1, and another formula, important formula what is the important formula? Important formula is that minus 1 to the power k and nk x to the power k is equal to, what is, how I can write minus 1 to the power k x to the power k, it can be right when our summation is also given, summation k equals to 1 to n. Then friends, I can write it according to the binomial theorem. I can write it 1 minus x whole to the power n minus 1, because friends must remember that nk and minus 1 to the power k into x to the power k can be written when I will give in here summation k equals to 1 to n, it should be k equals to 0, then it should be right 1 minus x whole to the power n. So friends, I use this formula, and whatever I get 1 minus x whole to the power n minus 1 divided by x into log of 1 minus x dx. Simple, friends, because I find out this calculation, I putting this value, I putting this value in here I just putting and I get this value. Okay, how can I get this value? How can I get this value? Because I get this value. Yeah, simple, friends, very easy, but practice is very, very important for every learner. So it should be, it can be written as 0 to 1 minus x whole to the power n minus 1 divided by x can be written 1 minus x whole to the power n log 1 minus x divided by x dx, and minus 0 to 1, it can be written as log 1 minus x by x. So friends, very simple problem. Now how can next chapter, next topic, 1 minus x whole to the power n, I will taking 1 minus x is equal to t. So whatever I get minus dx is equal to dt. So friends, if I will change the limit should be 1 to 0, but it is the minus, that's why I can write it this way, and I can write x not t, I can write t to the power n log t divided by 1 minus t into dt, I can write, and this process I can write 0 to 1 and log 1 minus x divided by x. Log 1 minus x can be written, friends, log 1 minus x, you know the formula, the log, what is the log 1 minus x? Log 1 minus x is very simple, log 1 minus x is equal to minus x minus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 minus ... It can be written as summation x to the power m divided by m, where m equals to 1 to infinity. So friends, according to the questions, I can write this way: x to the power m divided by m, and summation is giving m equals to 1 to infinity, I can write, and by x, so it should be minus 1, friends, simple, and dx, and 0 to 1 and t to the power m means summation m equals to 1 to infinity t to the power n plus m log t to the power m equals to we can write and log t and 1 minus t. Okay, 1 minus t means okay, no problem, n minus m. Okay, n minus m 1 minus x whole to the power n is okay, n minus m equals to 1 2, so it should be n minus m minus 1. As I write m equals to 1 to infinity, actually it start m equals to 0 to infinity, then n to the power t to the power m I can write, no problem. And it can be written dt plus whatever I can write, it should be minus should be plus, this minus should be plus, so it is minus, and we can get summation 1 by m square, and m equals to 1 to infinity, because log formula. After that, next what can I do? Then I can get summation m equals to 1 to infinity 1 by, it should be 1 by n plus it can be written also this way, 0 to 1, and it can be written as derivative of dd and tdn, derivative of by parts. Okay, I use IBP, then I can get 1 by n plus m whole square. It should be in here I will use minus, and how can I get? I can get using IBP means integration by parts. IBP means integration by parts, and I get summation m equals to 1 to infinity 1 by m whole square. After that, whatever I get, friends, if I will arrange, it is the formula summation m equals to 1 to infinity 1 by m plus n whole square minus 1 by m square. It can be written this way. I hope it is clear for everyone. So because whatever I get okay, sorry, in here also I make mistake. M square, it is m plus n, and it can be written m plus n this way, and whole square. So summation m equals to 1 to n, it should be m equals to 1 to n 1 by m square, and which is equivalent to h n order 2. And now again I want to prove again I prove these important relations. I prove hk h k divide by k, hk divided by k minus hk divided by k equals to whatever I want to prove. I want to prove that 1 by n hk divided by I want to prove this proof. I want to prove these relations. These relations I want to prove. I try to prove these relations. So friends, hk by k can be written. I will this replaced in here. Hk means, what is the meaning of the hk? Hk can be written k equals to if I will write k equals to 0 to n minus 1, then it should be 0 to 1 x to the power k minus 1. It can be written as this way. Sorry, it can be written as k equals to 1 to k, and it should be n. It can be written as n minus 1. N equals to 1 to k. So friends, it can be written as 1 by, and minus is in there, minus I can write 1 by k equals to summation n equals to n equals to 1 to k, and it can be written this way: summation 0 to 1 and n equals to 1 to k x to the power n minus 1 can be written 1 minus x to the power n, x to the power 1 minus x to the power n. It can be written divided by 1 minus x dx. It can be written, and after that I can write it is minus 1 by k integration 1 minus x whole to the power n 0 to 1, and it can be written as dx divided by 1 by x can be written as log 1 minus x. After that, whatever I get, after that I can write 0 to 1, and I can write this way: x to the power n minus, sorry, it should be k, it is k, it can be written as k, it can be written as x to the power k minus 1 log 1 minus x dx. How can I get? By using by parts. IBP, and IBP rule of the IBP is very simple. IBP means integration of uv dx can be written in here u into v dx minus du by dx integration v dx. So it can be written as this way, it can be written as this way. So thank you for watching my videos. I hope you enjoy.